What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. I hope y'all enjoying this weekend, but you already know what time it is. It's coming to the end of that weekend. It's about time for us to get back at it. Tomorrow morning, we got the first day of the week headed at us. We ready to get back at it, grind, and make some money. Guys, this is a short week. We got Thanksgiving Thursday. The market may stay in neutral, may chop, may not give us no big breakouts, but you know, we never know. That's why it's so important to stay grounded, stay paying attention to these charts, and we take what they give us. No guessing, none of that other stuff. Throw that out of the window. We following the charts. We'll take whatever they trying to throw at us. Guys, before we get into it, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. That way you can stay on top of these dynamite plays. Guys, the first ticker up, we're going to do it for the newbies and beginners. We always show y'all love in the beginning of the video. First ticker up, you already know, you see it on the chart, it's going to be SoFi. You see SoFi sitting at 1560. If you are a bull, what you want to see is this little chef level right here at 1565. They start breaking through that right there. They're going to get some momentum and push this thing back up to these tops at 1575 en route to $16. If you are a bear, you want to see these bottoms where they got smacked at and went back up right here at 1555 get taken out. They can take out that. You got this little area of disturbance down here at 1540. They break through that. They're going to start pulling this thing back lower. You got 1520. And then ultimately they trying to break through here at 15 even. They break through that, they're going to start coming down even lower, but be careful there because that can produce a bounce for the bulls. So there you go in SoFi. Next ticker up is going to be Palantir. Guys, as you see, Palantir, this has been a heck of a year for Palantir. They have been grinding. Man, think about it. A couple months ago, we were sitting at $23, and look at them now. Man, that's a $40 move in a couple months. Shout out to whoever was able to grab shares in this thing and be patient and let this thing continue to do what it do. They're sitting at 64.30. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 64.50. If they can open higher than that, they're going to start trying to push this to $65. Break through that, you're going to start headed to 65.20, 65.50, $66 en route to that 70 mark. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this chef level right in here get taken out, this little middle piece at 64.10. They break through that, they're going to start trying to run to this little stuff in here at 63.80. Break through that, boom, you got 63.40, and that can produce a pullback all the way down to test this area at 62.65. That can produce a little bull pump. But if they start trying to run this thing back up and still get rejected back down, your next level down is going to be 62.40 en route to this area right in here at 61.65. That area can produce a bull bounce as well. Those are areas for you if you are playing puts to take profit at. Slim that thing down because I do think that this is a long-term hold, which means that bears may have their 15 minutes of fame, but the bulls this ticker is bullish at the moment. So expect the bulls to keep trying to bounce that thing back up. There you go. And Palantir, next ticker up is going to be Smci. This is one to put on your radar because this is a money maker. This thing is trying to do something big. But again, we'll follow what the charts is telling us. If you see, they're sitting at 33.15 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see 33.45 get taken out. They take out that area right there. I got an area interest at 34.35. They start breaking through that right there. They can go on a run. They can boom this thing all the way up to 37.10. Breaking at this level right here, they can go on a massive run. They break through that, boom, you got 39.84. And check this out. They get through this 39.84, they're going to light this thing on fire. Boom, you got 44.50 run. So, and we know they can pounce. They can pop this thing high whenever they get some volume and some momentum. But we've seen these guys drop as well. And that's why it's so important to stay grounded, stay true to the charts, because once they start showing us that backwards move play, we know how to pivot, get out of that play, and respect the downside. They have a floor that they can get back to as well. If you are a bear, you want to see 32.15 get taken out. They can take out that area right there. You got a little bit of turbulence right here at 31.75, and then boom, 29.25. You break that area right there, you got 28.05. That can produce a bounce right there. But if not, you got two more levels, 25.75 and then 23.90. They break through 23.90, they coming back down, and they're going to try to come back down to test those lows somewhere around that 17.50, 17.60 areas. SMCI is one to pay attention to, because if you get the right play on the upside, you can make some good money on it. And if you get the right play on the downside, you can grind it out there as well. Next ticker up, it's going to be for the big ballers, the shot callers. Where y'all at? Y'all come on up. We ready to get down for you guys. First ticker up is going to be QQQ. They're sitting at 505.81. If you are a bull, you want to see 506.52 get taken out. They can take out that. They're going to run this thing back up this area right here at 506.95. Break through that. You come in past 507. They're going to try to head this thing to 508. 509, ultimately that 510 spot before they start really taking off. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this little middle piece in here at 505.30 get taken out. They can take out that. You got 504.50, break through that. You got boom, 502.78 before they start trying to slide back down. 501.80. I wouldn't try to risk holding puts long term, because they still got firepower, and this ticker is still very much bullish and could still very well pop. But pay attention Monday. You see this top right here. You see what it did. It made that little curve. It made that first top. Look what they're doing right here. You see what they're doing. If you start getting the consolidation right here, and they're not able to break through at 506.55, you already know what's happening. And I know you guys are grinding out there and paying attention to these candlestick formations, because I see it in the chats. I see the personal messages that you guys are sending to me. You already know what a double top look like. And if it start consolidating right there and they keep getting smacked at 506.50, they coming back down. These are patterns that you can make money on. Pay attention to them. There we go with QQQ. Next ticker up, we're going to throw Nvidia on the table. And Nvidia, they sitting at 141.90. If you are a bull, you want to see this area at 142 get taken out. They can take out that. You got some turbulence in here, but you want to see 142.30 get taken out before they start grinding back up. Next level up, boom, you got 142.80 on deck. Then you got this area at 143.10, and they can keep trying to boom this thing back up to this area in here at 143.90, and they can keep going. You got another heavy level at 144.90 before they keep trying to ride that thing back up to the high side. If you are a bear, you want to see this chef level right here, 141.50 get taken out. This little nonsense right here at 141.10, and then you got this level, 140.70 before boom, they coming back down to 139.95. A couple people asking the buy zones in here. In my opinion, the buy zones in here, 120, 110. They even got to 100 a couple months ago, but this is another long-term hold. This is one that has the potential to boom 200. 250, 300. We know what Nvidia can do once they start moving up. We just got to be patient. If we plan the calls and puts, play what we see. If you are trying to hold long term, you could probably get this at a better price. But even at 140, if we looking at this thing to get to 300 in the 6 months, a year from now, that's still a great buying opportunity for you. And once they start coming back down to that 120 area, that's a buying opportunity. DCA it. Next ticker up, we're going to throw Tesla out there. All right, guys, and Tesla is sitting at 352.65. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 353.80 get taken out. They can take out that. You got this area at 355.70. This little turbulence at 356.70, and then boom, you got 358.50 50 on deck, and they're trying to run this thing a lot higher. Again, guys, I covered it in the video I dropped the other day. I said Tesla has the potential to really do something special over the next couple months because they got the president-elect Donald Trump backing Elon Musk. And man, I think that's going to be great for Tesla because Elon going to be able to do some stuff that he wasn't able to do, and that's going to help the ticker and Tesla continue to surge. It wouldn't surprise me to see a 400 surge before the end of the year, and that's $50 away, but it wouldn't surprise me. But we know Tesla has the potential to drop as well. Again, play what you see. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this area here at 351.50 get taken out. They can take out that. You want to see this level at 347.80 get taken out. They break through that, you coming back down to this area, 344.90. Boom, you got 342.95. And that will produce some type of bounce back there because you see where we hit those areas and we boomed it back up. So prepare for that. But if you start seeing 337.70 break, we coming down much lower. We'll handle in real time. As you already know, we walk down the Tesla. We be all over. If you took my call out on Friday, you ate, you made money. Tesla calls a break and hold up at 340.70. Tesla puts a break and hold down at 338. You see, we didn't violate the put area. We boomed it through to 340.70. That was your chance to get down, grab those calls, and we boomed that thing. If you caught my break down there at 340, right around here, boom, look at that. That is a $16 run that you made money on. And if you respect it, grinding out in that play, and you stayed into it, you see every time they hit the 9 EMA, they bounce back up. The 9 EMA, they bounce back up. If you was greedy with profit, soon as they closed up under that 9, cash out of that play, make money. But I often say if they don't get up under the 20, stay in that play, continue to make more money. But you see where they started closing up under that 20, what happened? Boom, we came down. That was your time to cut that play, get out of that, because as soon as they start violating that 20 EMA, they coming down. There you go in Tesla. Next ticker up is going to be the SPY. Last and not least, it's sitting at 595.50. If you are a bull, you want to see 595.90 get taken out. Next level up is going to be 596.60, and then boom, they can run that thing up to 599.20. If you are a bear, you want to see this area at 595.10 get taken out. They can take out that right there. You got 594.40, and then they're going to run this thing back to 593.05. They break that. You got this level, 591.90, and then 590.75. This is very much bullish. So again, innocent until proven guilty. Don't jump out there trying to buy a whole bunch of puts, because, you know, the bulls are very much in control with this ticker right here. Just be patient, guys. The plays will show themselves, and that's when we get in it and use as confirmation. You can use tweezer tops, tweezer bottoms, double tops. If you're thinking about playing puts and you see a good setup, look for that double top. It shows itself. Man, I'm seeing you guys calling out that W, that M. Man, that makes me happy and proud to see that you are identifying these plays and you able to pounce soon as you see it. Shout out to all of you guys that's executing and dominating on the daily. It is a awesome feeling to see that, celebrating with you guys, champagne bottles in the air. But hey, I done took enough of your time, but if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.